Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need fresh egg yolks, good quality unsalted butter, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Make sure your whisk, heat-proof bowl, and saucepan are clean and ready. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a smooth, emulsified sauce. Now, let's create the base for our Hollandaise. In your heat-proof bowl, combine the egg yolks and lemon juice. Place this bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Whisk constantly and vigorously until the mixture becomes light, foamy, and slightly thickened, resembling a ribbon. This is where the magic happens. Gradually, very slowly, drizzle in your warm, melted, unsalted butter. It's crucial to whisk continuously and vigorously as you add the butter. This constant motion helps create a stable emulsion. Keep adding the butter until your sauce is beautifully thick, smooth, and glossy, with a rich, creamy texture. Finally, let's perfect our Hollandaise. Season your sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For a little extra warmth and color, you can add a tiny dash of cayenne pepper. Serve your delicious, homemade Hollandaise sauce immediately over classic eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or any dish that needs a touch of luxury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.